Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon. Very excited today looking at all of Amazon's recently added KF94s, which is a cool format that we'll talk about in just a second. But while we talk, we should get it in our testing machine because that takes a little bit of time. Alrighty. The KF94 is a South Korean format. Oh, come on, where's the... How do I... That's annoying. There's no tear tag. Come on, guys. This is so annoying. How am I supposed to open this without a tear tag? I guess these giant scissors will help. I prepared for this. ANYGUARD. If that's your real name. So it's a South Korean format and typically tests really, really well. That's a weird design. And we'll talk about why in just a second. But I'm excited to see this format become really popular on Amazon because I think it's better than the average KN95 that you find on Amazon. Just because there's not any, there doesn't appear to be many counterfeits on the market. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency Machine. His name is Randall. Remember that for the next video. All right, let's talk about this mask. What's so cool about this format is that they usually come individually packaged. The Koreans really know their packaging, although this brand, ANYGUARD, annoyingly makes you open it with a giant pair of scissors. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to open this thing. You should, when you check out with these, make sure you check out with a big pair of scissors as well. Okay, this is very weird. I've tested maybe 10 or 20 of these, and the brand on Amazon is called ANYGUARD, but it's obviously in South Korean because it's a Korean Korean format. But it's like this part like folds over very weirdly, where I feel like it should be welded. It just doesn't feel like it's put together correctly, but the inside is so soft, ridiculously soft. I'm gonna try the ear loops out. It's pretty good. I think it's going to break if I do that, but I don't think that'll break on your face very easily. Annoying thing is every time I have to open with the scissors, every time I want to do a test. Oh no. And then when you open with the scissors, you cut off the end of the mask. If you're stupid like me. All right, I'm going to try the smell on this one. Oh, wow. I'm going to call this smell bad garbage can. Oh, that is not good. I would not choose that smell for most people. There are some people I would choose it for. Yeah, it's going to be a pass for me, brah, on this particular mask. But that's just the way that it smells. Just not into that scene. I do like the design, though, which I think is unique. It's got these little triangles. Big triangle fan. Maybe you are, too. But does that matter if it, what does it matter if it smells great even if it doesn't protect you? And that's what this machine is about. So let's move on over and see what the results are. This is a great result. 98.070. 98.070 is a little high on the breathability, which I didn't even stick around long enough inside the mask to figure out, but like, let me try, I'll do it for you. Yeah, that's really hard. 200 pascals, which is really hard. And the problem with the KF94 style is it's usually pretty good, but I am getting a little leakage here, and I can actually feel that it's so hard to breathe through. I can feel it coming out in the nose and the sides like that. Probably better than most surgical masks, but because that breathability is not there, you want to see it below 150 pascals, and this one is almost 200. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this test. I certainly did enjoy smelling this hot garbage. That's probably highlighted my day. I do it for the people, and because of that, and on that note, I will see you on that next test because we got more tests to do here. I got a box full of KF94s and excited to deliver them to you fine folks. I'll catch you on that next test.